Hello everyone, welcome back to Concept Unlocked. Today we are going to explore the functional unit of a computer, the building blocks that makes the computer work. By the end of this video, you will understand how different parts of the computer interact with each other to process the information. So, have you ever wondered how does the computer takes the input, process it and gives us the output? So this can be done with the help of functional unit. The computer system has been divided into 5 functional units: the input unit, the output unit, memory unit, arithmetic and the logical unit and the control unit. First, the input unit. This how we feeds the data and the instruction to the computer. Devices like keyboard, mouse and scanners takes the input from us and convert it into a form the computer can understand. That's binary. So the computer accepts the coded information through the input unit. Whenever the key has been pressed on the keyboard, the corresponding letter or the digit is automatically translated to its corresponding binary code and transmitted to the processor. The example for the input unit can be keyboard, mouse, scanner and the microphones. The next is the output unit. Once the computer is finished processing, the output unit converts the result back to human readable form. The examples for the output unit can be considered as monitors, printers and speakers. The next is the central processing unit. It's the heart of the computer. It consisting of two important parts. The first one is arithmetic and the logical unit. The second one is the control unit. ALU. So this is like a calculator of the computer. It performs all the arithmetic operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication and division, and also the logical operations like comparison and NOT operations. Control unit. Control unit, it acts like the brain inside the CPU. So it fetches the instruction from the memory, decodes them and tell the other unit what to do. So it fetches the instruction from the memory, decodes them and also directs them what operation is to be performed. So as a recap, we can specify the input unit brings the data in. The storage unit, it's mainly is used to store the data, ALU to process it and control unit to control the workflow and the output unit to represent the data. And that's how the functional unit of the computer work together to make everything possible, from typing the document to streaming a video. So without these units, the computer is just like a box of